So this is what I eat in a day to keep me healthy, lean, and full of energy. So being a dad and a business owner, I'm pressed for time. Hello. So in this, what I eat in a day, I'll show you how I eat on days when I'm on the go, out and about, and I've got my little 4-month-old. And one reason I eat like this, especially when I'm busy, is because it's sustainable for me. I enjoy it and it's livable for the long term. It's in line with where I am right now in my life. When I was in my 20s, I could eat like a, I don't know, like a caveman, you know, be over restrictive. I didn't have much responsibilities. I didn't have a family. I wasn't as busy, you know, business wasn't as chaotic as it is now. So I could afford to just, you know, lock myself away and not be as social. But now I like to enjoy my life. I like to do the nice things. So making sure that I eat in a way that allows me to do that is very important to me. Which is why a lot of people struggle with diets or their diets fail, is because they're trying to be like their favorite person on the internet and follow this super rigid routine which doesn't align with their lifestyle and where they are in their life. So this is why I have a much more flexible approach, which allows me to stay consistent with what I eat, how I eat, stay lean, be healthy, and enjoy it at the same time. And for me, nutrition, healthy eating doesn't need to be boring. You don't need to punish yourself with bland, boring food. You can eat good tasting food, you can eat on the go, you can manage your weight, you can manage your body composition. You just need to know how. And I've been doing this for such a long time now that I've found a way that suits me, my lifestyle, and where I am at in my life right now. I don't always eat on the go, but when I do, this is what a day might look like. Eating on the go, it still requires some planning. So I always plan ahead of time where I'm gonna go to eat or what I'm going to have. So what I like to do when I'm out and about, eating, trying to keep things healthy, is I try to look for places that match or mimic similar foods that I would normally eat when I prepare food myself. So one of the best places that I've found close to where I work is this place called Farmer J.
What chicken is that? It's harissa. Yeah, please. I'll go with the kale, please, and with what's this one? Yeah, I'll go for that. Yeah. I'll have this outside here, please.
They have a ton of different protein options, and you get a good serving of protein. There's lots of veggies and salads. So for me, this is the best healthy, best tasting on-the-go option that I've found that is local to me. The only downside to it is I wouldn't eat from here every single day because it can get a bit spenny, it's a bit pricey, and the calories are quite high. But if you know...
Alright, so I've got it here. Let's give the chicken a try. It's really good. Very good. That's one thing I always say. Eating healthy should taste good. And then
how many calories you need to take in, and you can go on the website and see what's in each meal or what is going to be the calorie makeup of your meal. You can then work backwards and then kind of figure it out. It depends on what you're trying to do with your weight, right? If you're trying to maintain it, build, or cut, always knowing, kind of having a rough guideline of how many calories you're going to be consuming from the places that you're going to be eating does really help. So what I like to do is try to get my plate to look similar to how my plate would normally be when I kind of cook at home or Lorena cooks us a lunch. So I try to model the same amount of protein, veggies, carbs, and all the rest of it. And the second option that I would do if I was very busy on the go would be a protein shake. So a protein shake with either some type of fruit is like a quick grab and go meal that I would have when I'm really busy out and about, and I know that I'm going to get some protein and some fiber from the fruit, which are kind of like the main things that I really like to focus on, is high protein, good amount of fiber in my diet as well.
So one of my go-to options, especially when I'm mega busy, is just like a protein shake. I normally have one at home, so I'm just gonna find one out and about here. I know a spot where I've had them before, so we'll get a protein shake from there. So when I have a protein shake, I normally have some type of fruit with it. So what we'll do today, we'll do a protein shake and maybe like a green shake or a green smoothie. Let's see what they have. So we went for the berry sunrise. I went for the drink your salad, which has spinach, parsley, kale, romaine lettuce, ginger, and lemon.
I try to keep it simple, easy, but again, it doesn't need to be boring. It doesn't have to be bland. You know, have to punish yourself with eating just lettuce.
Wow, yeah, it's really good.
When you're trying to eat healthy.
Try drink your greens. Ugh. Tastes very green.
So those will be kind of my main kind of lunchy meals if I'm on the go, and either side of that I would tend to have some type of a snack, and that for me would normally be some type of yogurt. So in most places you can go, you can get these protein yogurts which are great now. You can get Greek yogurt. You can get protein mousses. I found this chocolate one which is absolutely incredible, and the good thing about these is they're very low calorie, they're easy to grab and go. You can have it on your desk, you can eat it on the train or whilst you're walking or whatever. So it enables me to keep my diet in check, and it doesn't require too much brain power or preparation at all, because obviously it's already prepped. So the key to making this work is knowing what you're going to have and where you're going to get it from, and I always plan that ahead of time. And even when I'm mega busy, I just make sure that I know exactly where I'm going to go, what I'm going to have, and where I'm going to get it from. You know, when you're busy as I am, and as I'm sure many of you are, the easy excuse is to, you know, use being busy as reason to eat crap or not eat at all. So I've found that these kind of grab and go options work very, very well, and for me it's very sustainable. And then the other side of that would be my absolutely favorite meal or favorite snack of the day is like a protein bar. And at the moment I'm really loving the Grenade Oreo protein bars. They taste incredible, good amount of protein, the calories are not too high, and again, when I'm out and about and with Rion, just having one of those in my bag just keeps me ticking over until my next meal. Keep me ticking over. It's great. I have a bit of a sweet tooth, so it ticks that box for me as well. You know, when I first started trying to eat healthy, I was very young, and it was alien to me, you know. I remember going to the gym for the first time, and you know, some of my friends were like, yeah, you need to eat tuna, it's got protein. And I tried to eat tuna from the tin. I was like, man, this is gross. It was dry. And obviously as I got older and matured and learned more about nutrition and eating well, and knowing that it doesn't have to be boring, but it's taken me quite a while to get there. You know, I've been training a very long time, but it took me a very long time to step away from that rigid chicken breast and veggies. Now I want to really enjoy what I eat, enjoy the company of the people who I eat food with. So for me, making sure that food is enjoyable but also healthy is a big thing. So for me, I really like to make sure that I enjoy what I eat. So I like chicken thighs, you know, it doesn't have to always be chicken breast. Yeah, I'm at a place now with my health and fitness journey where obviously I still want it to be easy to prepare. When I do prepare it, it needs to taste good, easy to access. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check the description below, because I'm going to link out to some super easy recipes that I like to prepare when I do cook my foods, so you can also enjoy what you eat. Okay, ciao for now.